Let's take a closer look at where to find your Google Drive. When you're on your Loveland homepage, you can find Drive here in a widget, or you can also find it in the waffle when you scroll down and you find Drive there. When you get to your Drive is like your digital filing cabinet. It stores whatever digital documents and tools you put in there. And so in your filing cabinet, you probably have a folder that says Classroom, and I had you create a Digital Scientist folder. If your folder has a little person icon on it, it means that it has been shared with me. Now in your Drive, you can create new folders to put things in this way by selecting New and Folder. I'll title my folder Sample. Now I can create new docs, new sheets, new slides, or other tools by selecting them. But to stay organized, I can create these things right inside a folder when I open the folder. So this way, if I want a file in my sample folder, I can create it that way. I give it a title, and now you can see when I refresh my documents in my folder. Now I'm going to go back to my Drive because I can find things that I've put in folders in my Drive. This is my work from being a digital scientist. I added a slide, a drawing, a sheet, and a doc. Google Tools are great because they're color-coded with icons. Each tool has a different icon and color to go with it. We'll be working with docs, sheets, slides, and drawings. I use forms to help you show me what you've learned. And so that's your Google Drive.